Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Designing a modern foyer entrance involves creating a welcoming and stylish first impression while ensuring functionality. Start with a neutral color palette, accented by bold elements like an eye-catching piece of art or a statement light fixture to set the tone. Incorporate sleek minimalist furniture such as console table with clean lines to provide a surface for essentials like keys and mail. Use a mix of materials, wood, metal, and glass to add a texture and interest. A large mirror can enhance natural light and make the space feel larger. Consider material practical storage solutions like wall-mounted hooks or a small cabinet to keep clutter at bay. Integrate a stylish rug to redefine the space and add warmth. Greenery such as tall plant or fresh flowers can bring life and vibrancy to the foyer. Ensure good lighting by combining overhead fixtures with screens or lamps for a layered effect. Personal touches like framed photos or unique decor items can make the space feel inviting. Finally, pay attention to the flow. Make sure the foyer seamlessly transitions into the rest of your home, creating a cohesive and modern look. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.